My name is Allison Cootie Ferris. I am an attorney with the Domestic Violence Initiative. I am currently on an Equal Justice Works fellowship, and I work to help survivors of sexual assault and domestic violence formalize immigration status in the United States.
I'm Amy Eckendorf. I am the Immigrant Wellness Program Manager, and my program provides intensive case management for refugees and asylees, as well as some group programming.
My name is Mary McCabe, and I work on HIAS's youth team. Our youth team represents young people in the Philadelphia area. Some of them are in foster care, many of them are unaccompanied minors, and in particular, I work with unaccompanied minors who are detained by the Office of Refugee Resettlement.
My name is Shalu Jose, and I'm the director of the Asylee Outreach Program. We help them with their green card applications, getting their first employment authorization cards, getting them ready for a job upgrade or for the first job interview. So it's a combination of social as well as a legal program.
I'm Valerie Harteg, and I'm the Education Program Manager at HIAS Pennsylvania. So my work involves overseeing our adult education programs as well as our youth education programs. And those involve kind of standard ESL classes, tutoring, and then out of school time programs as well.
Well, what's been the hardest change, I would say, is just reaching out to my clients in Chester County and realizing that, I think almost 100% of them are now out of work. And that includes those with legal status and work authorization, but also my undocumented clients. And that's either because they, were told to stay home, they were let go, they were laid off, or they have school-age children who are now home and they aren't able to continue working for that reason because they have to provide childcare. So that's been very difficult. And so I've been trying to do a lot of work with clients to make sure that they're aware of resources available to them in order to lessen the impact of that loss of financial income. And the hardest part about that, especially for the undocumented community, is how isolated they are. So we're very thankful that we have a federal unemployment scheme set up, but unfortunately, the federal unemployment scheme and also the law that just went into effect, giving individuals earning less than a threshold amount access to immediate relief funds, those funds aren't available, and unemployment relief isn't available for undocumented persons. So you have individuals losing jobs who are extremely vulnerable and not having any sort of relief that the rest of the country is able to access. So that really just shows how the burden is really twofold and doubled on our undocumented community. I have one client in Chester County who works, I believe she's working as a machine operator for a company in Chester County. And she has already, works, 3 to 4 days a week. My client has a serious lung condition, which affects her. And actually that was, partly in result of abuse that she endured in the past before she left her abuser. And because of that, she was given a doctor's note and told that it was crucial for her to stay home for 2 weeks from work. So we're trying to help her to advocate with local social service providers, but also directly with her employer in order to get her that pay that she's entitled to.